This is a windmill, not like from the days of yore when Don Quixote was traversing hill and dale, but from the modern age, specifically a mid-2000s General Electric 1.5 megawatt SLE wind turbine. The specimens featured in this video were installed around 2006 and are located in the Ontario Erie Shores Wind Farm, somewhere between St. Thomas and Port Burwell. Initially developed by the AIM PowerGen Corporation, it is now mostly owned and operated by Capstone Infrastructure, with 66 turbines in operation and apparently another 18 in the works. Power-wise, it currently produces a total of 99 megawatts that is then fed into Ontario's transmission grid. Apparently one of the largest in this part of the world, it produces just shy of 5% of the province's total installed wind power capacity.
Ay caramba, necesito un caballo más grande.